Isa na namang magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga kalibgod. In this video, I'm going to share to you how to register in Livegood using cryptocurrency. Okay, first you have to open the sponsors link kung saan doon kayo magpapamember. And then just write down your first name, then last name, and of course your email. And then click reserve my position now. And then mapupunta kayo rito sa lock in your position. Click nyo lang yan. And then you have to create an account by filling up your first name, last name, and then your email, phone number, and then your username dito sa baba with your new password, and then you confirm your password. And then sa pinakababa, select your membership, which is option number 1, or if you prefer to pay for the whole year, you will get 20% discount. Yung babayaran nyo lang po ay 10 months lang, which is equivalent to $99.95 only. So sa video ito, I will select option number 1, which is a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up plus 9.95 monthly membership, which is a total of $49.95. And then, select na natin yung option 1. After that, dito tayo sa billing and shipping information. Fill upan lang po natin yan. Which country you are. Ilagay natin Philippines. Kung sa Pilipinas kayo. And then your full name, address, full address, and then city, and then your province, and then your zip code or postal code. Itong province na to, 3 letters lang yung lagay nyo dyan. And then sa select payment method, I will be using cryptocurrency. So may option dyan, pwede yung gamitin ng card or credit card or whatever card do you have, Visa or Master. But in this case, in this video, I will be using cryptocurrency. So i-select ko lang itong cryptocurrency, and then I press continue. And then after that, you have to confirm all the information that you have filled in, kung tama ba. Check nyo lang. Pag okay na lahat, yung dalawang box dito sa baba, i-check nyo lang yan. Gaya na nakikita nyo, kulay blue. And then, complete my sign up. Click nyo lang yan. So, dito kayo mapupunta sa cryptocurrency payment. Itong box na ito na kulay itim, pay with crypto. I-click nyo lang yan siya. Pag click nyo, mapupunta kayo rito sa option. Mamimili kayo rito ng coins. Nakikita nyo yung arrow na yan. Select your payment currency. So, ganito ang mangyayari. Mag-scroll down lang kayo. Ang gagamitin natin dito, yung USDT Tron. I-click nyo lang yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin, yung USDT. Pag-click nyo, mapupunta kayo rito. Lalabas yung USDT address, and then the amount that you are going to pay, which is $49.95. That is equivalent to $49.97,948,790 USDT Tron. So, ang gagawin natin, dito muna tayo sa address ng USDT address. copy address. Click lang natin yung copy address. And then punta tayo rito sa ating Binance or STX. Sa tutorial na ito, ang gamit ko rito ay HTX. Ito yung Huobi. So, click lang natin yung asset. Pag-click natin ng asset, make sure na yung balance nyo rito ay mas sobra doon sa babayaran natin. So, I have $52.89. Make sure na sa spot siya. And then, click withdraw. Click nyo lang yung withdraw. And then, click USDT. Pag-click nyo na USDT, click nyo tong blockchain address ang iyong pipiliin. Tapos, make sure na nasa USDT kayo. Ang tokens, tapos ang withdrawal network, nasa TRC20. Yan ang isi-set nyo ha. Dapat yan naka TRC20 ang inyong withdrawal network. And then dito sa withdrawal address, ito yung kinapi natin kanina na address ng ating USDT. Paste nyo lang doon sa withdrawal address. And then dito sa withdrawal amount, as you can see here, nandito yung withdrawal amount natin. Ito yung babayaran natin, yung 49.97948. So, bali, dadagdagan nyo lang yan siya ng $1. Gagawin yung 50.979487 dahil meron siyang fee na $1. So, ilagay natin dito ay 50.979487. Dahil dito sa baba, kung titingnan nyo, may fee siya na $1. So, the total amount that will be received is 49.979487. So, okay na siya. Mag-additional tayo rito ng $1 ha. Dahil meron siyang fee na $1. So, click lang natin yung withdraw. Mapupunta tayo rito, confirmation, rest reminder, basahin lang natin yan, then check natin itong sa baba na box. I have checked the withdrawal details and fully understand all the risk. Check nyo lang yan, and then confirm. And then, mayroon tayong security verification sa ating Gmail, tapos sa ating SMS, sa ating number. So, i-verify lang natin tong email natin. Click lang natin yung send, tapos puntahan natin yung ating Gmail. Mayroong verification code doon. Ito, 764734. Ilagay lang natin yan doon. Ilagay lang natin dito. Tapos, dito tayo sa SMS na naman. I-click lang natin yung SMS. Makaka-receive tayo ng text galing doon sa number ninyo na ginamit nyo doon sa inyong Huobi account, sa inyong Binance. So, lalabas yung text doon. I-copy paste nyo lang dito. And of course, dito naman sa Google Authentication Code. Dapat meron kayo niyan. Google Authentication, kagaya nito. Google Authenticator. So, mag-install lang kayo niyan. Then, makakatanggap kayo dyan ng code. I-copy paste nyo lang ang code dyan na lalabas. Ilagay nyo dito sa Google Authentication Code. Ilagay nyo siya dyan and then you confirm. So, kailangan niya na meron kayong Google Authenticator. And then, ito na yung mangyayari. Pagkatapos nun, so, the result is we are in the confirming stage. And then, antayin lang natin yan siya. Go back tayo rito sa ating Live Good payment option kung saan nandun yung ating address sa ating USDT and the amount. Click lang natin yung send sa baba, na ibig sabihin nakapagbayad na tayo, na antayin na lang natin yung payment natin na ma-receive ni Livegood. So i-click lang natin yung send sa baba at ito yung mangyayari. So kung babasahin natin yung kulay green, check here, click here to check your status. So siguro mga 2 to 3 minutes marireceive na yung ating bayad doon. So i-click lang natin to after 3 minutes. Yung kulay green, tingnan natin kung yung status niya, kung na-receive na ba nila yung payment na ginawa natin. So na yun, lalabas yun na pag okay na, lalabas yun na congratulations, we have received your payment and you are now an affiliate member of Livegood. So ganun lang siya, guys. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you have the idea on how you're going to register using cryptocurrency. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to learn more about anything about Livegood, just comment, like, and share, and also subscribe to my channel so you will be updated on whatever videos that I am going to upload in this channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell para ma-update kayo palagi sa mga bagong updates dito sa channel na ito about Livegood. Thank you guys, and I hope na nakapagbigay ako ng kaalaman sa inyo kung paano kayo mag-registered using cryptocurrency. Thank you, and more power to all of you Livegood family.